Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the chapter algebraic identities and we discussed some important trigonometry identities and we solved some important questions based on them. Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss about some more important trigonometry identities and we solve some questions based on them. And here today we discuss about the identity what a cube plus b cube, as you know that in a plus b in one bracket, in another bracket what a square minus ab plus b square. Same the value of then a cube minus b cube is what a minus b, and in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, and today we also solve some question based on the property, based on the identities a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? A plus b plus c in one bracket in another bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus ca minus bc minus ca. Okay, and we also solve some question based on the property, dear student, if in that identity if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Dear students, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then from here we get then the value of a cube plus b cube plus 3 cube minus 3abc is equal to 0, and in this way we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to minus 3ab transfer that side, so we get 3a bc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So dear students, today we are discuss that all that algebraic identities and we solved some questions based on them. Okay, now let take and solve some question based on these identities. Let's see. The first question is, dear student, find the following products. Your first question, which is very important for you, find the following products. Find the following products, and your first part of this question is what? X plus 3y, and in another bracket x square minus 3xy plus 9y square, and in second part of this question 7a minus 5b, and in another bracket 49a square plus 35ab plus 25b square. Okay, now let's see its solution. Dear student, we take and solve first part of this question there, and here your question is find the following product. First question is, now we take and solve the first part of this question. This is x plus 3y, and in another bracket we have x square minus 3xy plus 9y square. Look, now dear student, what I do? Dear student, first we arrange the given algebraic expression based on the identity a plus b and another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Let's see. First of all, we write as x plus 3y, and in another bracket we write x square, okay, minus 3xy. Here we write plus 3y square. Now look, dear student, take this is the value of a, this is the value of b. So here this is a square, this is b square, and ab means what? X is a and 3y is what? B. So dear students, this algebraic expressions based on this, so we can write a cube plus b cube, na sir? Yes. So here we write, dear students, x cube plus b, a cube means x cube plus b cube means 3y. So here we write as 3y cube. So we get our answer as x cube plus 3 3s are 9 3s are 27, 27y cube. So dear student, this is our final answer. Okay. So now dear students, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these type of algebraic identities in this way. Now let's see once more time. First of all, we write x plus y as it is, and we write x square in this way. We write 9y square as plus 3y square. We can write now, because of if we square 3y square whole square, so we get our the question 9y square, and write this as it is. Now we look a plus b, and in another bracket a square plus b square minus ab. So this is the identity of, this is the question based on the identity a cube plus b cube. So we can write these algebraic expression as a cube plus b cube, that is x cube plus 3 3s are 9 3s are 27y cube. Okay. So dear students, in this way we can solve second part of this question. Look, now we take and solve the second part of this question. Let's see. First we write the given question as 7a minus 5b, and in another bracket we write 749 a square plus 35 ab plus 25 b square. Now look, dear student, what I do? Dear student, first we convert this algebraic expression in the form of a minus b, and in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. After that we form, and then after this is the form of these identities. Okay. Now look, first we write 7a minus 5b as it is. Okay. Now in another bracket we write 49a square as 7a square. Okay. Plus here we write 25b square as what? 5b square. Okay. We write 7a square, 49a square write as 7a square, plus 25b square write as 5b square, plus ab means 7a into 5b. Because of, let's look, if we multiply 7a and 5b, okay, if we multiply 7a and 5b, then we get what? 7 5s are 35ab. Okay. So we can write this algebraic expression in this form. Okay. Now look, so here dear student, this is the value of a, this is the value of b, this is a square, this is b, this is a, and this is b. Now look, so this algebraic expression in the form of a minus b in one bracket, and in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So we use these algebraic identities as a, we can write a minus b in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square as a cube minus b cube. So here what I do, we write these students 7a as 7a cube minus b cube, and b cube means 5b cube. Now look, we solve them. 7 7s are 49, 7s are 343, 343 a cube minus 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125 b cube. So in this way, dear student, we find the products of these algebraic expression. Okay. So dear students, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on the identity this. Okay. Now we take and solve some other important question based on the same identities. Let's see. Now we take another question. Look, find the product. Find the products. Your question is 0.9x plus 0.7y in one bracket, and in another bracket 0.81x square minus 0.63xy plus 0.49y square. 0.49y square. Look, its solution. Dear students, this problem we solve by the same as previous question. Let's see. Here, this is the form of a plus b, and in another bracket a square. We convert this expression in that format. Okay, now look, we write as 0.9x plus 0.7y as it is. Okay, after that we can write 0.81 as 0.9 x square, because of if we square this value means 0.9x whole square, then we get as 0.81 x square as 99, because of 9 nines are 81 na, so we can, and decimal takes 2 place left, so we get, if we squaring 0.9 x square, so we get 0.81 x square. Okay, now look, and we write this is 0.7 y square, because of if we square 0.7 y square, then we get as 0.49 y square. So 0.49 y square we can write in this way. Now look, we write as in this way. We write this in this way, 0.9x into 0.7y. Now look, suppose that this is the value of a, this is a, this is ab, this is b, a square, this is b square. Now look, this is b. Look here, a plus, suppose we take 0.9x as a and 0.7y as b. Now this is the form of a plus b, and in another bracket a square plus b square minus ab. So we can write, dear students, a cube plus b cube. So here we write as 0.9x cube plus 0.7y cube. Now look, what I do, we, if we cube 9, then 9 nines are 81 into 9 and another 9, so 729. So 0.729x cube plus, we can write this as the form of 0.343y cube. This is our required products. Let's see, 0.7929x cube, right, plus 0.4343y cube. So okay, so dear students, you can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on these algebraic identities in this way. Now dear students, we take and solve some important question of your syllabus. Let's see. Look, simplify the following. Simplify the following, and your question is what? Look, first part of this question is what? 7x cube plus 8y cube minus, in one bracket 4x plus 3y in another bracket 16x square minus 12xy plus 9y square. And second part of this question is 6m minus n in another bracket 36m square plus 6mn plus n square minus 3m plus 2n, 3m plus 2n whole cube. Let's see its solution. Dear student, we simplify the following algebraic expressions as first is this and second is this. Now we take and solve the first part of this question, and your first part is what? Let's see. We have what we have, dear student, 7x cube plus 8y cube minus 4x plus 3y. This is 16x square plus minus 12xy plus 9y square. Now first we write this expression in this way. Write 7x cube as it is, we write 8y cube as it is, and here we write 4x plus 3y, and we write this expression in this way. This is 4x square minus this is 3y square. This is 4x into 3y we can write. Now look, this is the algebraic identities as what? A plus b, and another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. This is, we can write this algebraic identities as a cube plus b cube. So we can write 7x cube minus a cube plus b cube. So in bracket we can write a cube means 4x cube minus b cube means 3y cube. Now look what I do. We write as this is plus 8y cube minus, we can write 64x cube minus 9 27 y cube. Now we split the bracket, we get what? 7x cube plus 8y cube minus 64x cube minus plus 27 y cube. Now look, this is the like terms. So plus 7 or minus 64 is what? Plus 7 and minus 64 is what? 57. No, 57. Yes. So we write minus 57 x cube here, and this is plus 8 and plus 27 y cube. So we can write 35 plus 35 y cube. Look, now look, we write this is a plus b, a cube plus b cube, na, sorry, here this is plus, na, so this is also write in minus. Okay. Now what I do, what I get, dear student, this is minus 27 plus 8, this is minus 19 y cube. This is our final answer. So dear students, in this way we can simplify that type of algebraic expressions. Now we take and solve the second part of this question. Let's see. We take the second part of this question, which is done. Look, we can write this algebraic expression as 6m minus n, and in another bracket we can write 6. Let's see, we write as 6m square plus, we write as 6m into n plus we write n as n square as it is, and minus we write 3m plus 2n whole cube. Now look, we can write 6m. Now look, this is take as a, this is take as b, this is a square, this is a into b, this is b square. So look, best friend, this is the based on algebraic identities a minus a cube minus b cube. So we can write this value in this way. A cube means 6m cube minus b cube as n cube, okay, and minus 3m plus 2n whole cube, right, as it is. Now look, if we cube 6m cube means what? 6 is 36 is 216 m cube minus this is value of n cube. Now look, we know that the algebraic identity is a plus b whole cube as what? A cube plus b cube in this way. So we split that value in bracket, we write a cube means 27 m cube plus b cube plus 8n cube plus 3ab, 3 into a into b in bracket a plus b means 3m plus 2n. Now we simplify that expression, so we get as what? Look, we get as 216 m cube minus n cube minus in bracket 27 m cube plus 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, 2 is 18, 18 3 is 54 plus 54 m square n, now plus 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 18 2 is 36. This is 36 what? mn square. Now look, we split the brackets, we get what? 216 n cube minus n cube minus 27 m cube minus plus minus 8 n cube minus plus minus 54 m square n minus plus minus 36 mn square. Now look, dear student, this is m cube and m cube here, so 216 minus 27 is what? 216 minus 27, we get 9, here 0, that is the 10, 10 minus 2, 8, this is 8, so 189, so right, this is 189 m cube, and this is n cube minus n cube, this is minus n cube, so we write minus 9 m n cube, minus 9 n cube. Now we write this in the same way, this is 54 m square n minus 36 mn square. So dear student, this is our required answer, right? So this is our required answer. So dear student, in this way, so dear students, in this way we can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on these identities. Now dear student, we take some important question of your NCERT exercise based on these identities, and now that chapter is now completed. Okay, now first now we look the some question based on these identities. Like look, question is find the product. The question is find the product, and the function is value is x plus y plus z in another bracket x square plus y square plus 4z square here 2z, x plus y plus 2z here, x square plus y square plus 4z square minus xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Now look, dear students, we find the following products. Dear students, we have a identity a cube plus b cube minus 3abc as a plus b plus c, and in another bracket we have a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, now look, here we write in this way x plus y plus 2x 2z, and in another bracket we can write x square as it is plus y square as it is plus we write 4z square as 2z square minus we write xy minus yz, we can write y into 2z, and now we write minus 2z into x. Now look, Dear student, this is the identity. Based on the identity, this is A, B, C. A square, this is B square, this is C square, this is minus AB, this is minus BC, this is minus CA. Now look, dear student, we have an identity is A cube plus B cube minus plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C in one bracket, and in another bracket A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. So here we have the same format. Let's see, A plus B plus C in another bracket A square means X square plus B square means Y square, C square, and minus AB minus BC minus CA. Now we write this algebraic expression in that formula. We have A cube, we write A cube. A cube means what? X cube plus B cube means what? Y cube plus C cube means what? 2Z cube minus 3 into ABC means X into Y into 2Z. So what we have, what we get, dear student, we get as X cube plus Y cube plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 Z cube, 8Z cube. Okay, here we get as minus 3 to the 6 XY Z, 3 to the 6 XY Z. So this is our final answer. Okay, so dear students, we can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on these concepts in this way. Let's see once more time, dear students. First we arrange the given question in this way. After that we applying the identity A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, and we get our result. Now we take a small question based on these identities. Let's see. And your question is, evaluate 30 cube plus 20 cube plus minus 50 cube. Here, dear student, first of all, let's see. Let A is equal to 30, B is equal to 20, and C is equal to what? Minus 50. Here, since here, first of all, we find A plus B plus C. This is 30 plus 20 minus 50. 50 minus 50 as we get as 0. Since we have a value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to what? 3ABC. We can write, yes, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Now we put the value of ABC. So we have A cube means 30 cube. We write at B cube as 20 cube plus C cube as minus 50 cube is equal to 3ABC. We get as 3 is a 9 to the 18, 18 5 the 90. So we write minus 90, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Look, this is your answer, minus 90,000. Yes, right. So minus 90,000 is our answer. So dear students, you can solve that type of question in this way. Okay. Now look once more time, dear student, we find the value of a 30 cube, 20 cube, minus 50 cube. And first, dear student, we take as A is equal to 30, B is equal to 20, and C is equal to minus 50. After that, we find that the value of A plus B plus C, which is equal to 0. So we have, if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then dear student, the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. So here we using that concept, and so we put the value of ABC in that formula. So we get our result as 90,000. So dear students, today we discussed all the trigonometry, all the algebraic identities which we in your syllabus, which are in your syllabus, and we solve all the question based on each and every algebraic identities. Okay, so now that chapter is to be completed now. Now first you revise all the algebraic identity which we discussed in that class and previous classes. After that you complete your NCERT exercise based on all the algebraic identities. Now in next class we discuss some new important chapter of your syllabus. Okay, first dear student, you do more and more practices on each and every algebraic identities, because of this is very important for your examination purpose. Okay, now in next class we discuss some new important concept. Thank you.